helmet cam. Oops. Starting up the dirt bike. That start really sucked. First gear. You look so freaking retarded. You look retarded. You want to ride it? You have to use the helmet though. What? Video. I just started one. What? I'll just send the footage to you. Like I'll edit it and send it to you. Here.
I don't want wearing helmet. Huh? Why?
Because it's still going right now.
I don't want to wear my hat.
So let's put it on for a video.
Oh my gosh, pull off.
Pretty good. I'll send the footage to you if you want me to. At least I took the padding out of it. All you chiefs to be like.
Here.
I want to see.
I can't spit in this. Hammer, damn it. Ow.
Take the helmet off.
Get my hat.
I'm gonna see if I can make you get roll started. Is it still going?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna roll start my dirt bike. This stupid tire. Dude, you gotta take it out of gear, dummy. And put it into gear whenever I tell you. There you go. Wait, make sure the switch is on. Alright. Don't give it no gas. As soon as I tell you, as soon as I say switch, you just kick it up in first, alright? Switch! Haha! That's pretty cool. Take off this freaking helmet. Try to zoom in. Nope.
I ain't going to. I ain't like you.
Hey, Zach! Come here, I gotta fix that tire. Look! Come here.
What?
I gotta fix the tire. Quit covering the muffler. I gotta fix the tire. Roll it up a little bit. Let it roll. So you gotta take it out of gear. Take it out of gear. Kick it hard. Not that hard. Oh! It's gonna hurt me. This is not turning out as good as I thought it would. And it's better than the last one we had. Yeah.
We rode it for like 30 hours. I wish this was a button, not a...
What?
I wish this was a button, not a...
Go forward. Keep going. You're good. Wanna roll start it? Is this recording?
Oh, yep.
We're gonna play chicken. I know. We're gonna play chicken. Chicken! Let's play chicken! You turned!
I hit the freaking hole and I hit
Can I
my
go
nuts.
hit it? Can I go hit it? That's all I want to do.
Hold on, let me go on.
In first person. Hey, let me on the back.
Oh god.
Not touching. It's a phone book with. Ah!
Not anymore.
Shut up. Ah!
This is hard. Hold on to my stomach. Not
Holy. Ah! Piece the four out of me. See?
hold on to my stomach, not my.
Go. Just go. Wait. Ah! Just walk. I'll get you first. Woo! This came up to here earlier. That was so gay. What? Yeah. We're playing chicken. Let's play chicken. He wasn't gonna stop. He was actually gonna hit me. He been locked out. Bring it here.
I ain't tried to do that
Zach, come here. Come here.
real. You want me to not sit there?
No, come here.
Yeah, what?
thing ripped. Come here, look. Turn the brake column. Hey, can I drive by? Can I just do a really fast drive by real quick around this? No, Zach, Zach is gonna rip that one. Look, it's broke. Angle my camera over it. We gotta fix it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I
Looks like somebody got fucked on this dirt bike. My handprint was up there.
It broke these.
I went through that one part and I broke my toe.
Here, angle the camera like where it shows the driveway because I'm gonna do a quick. I got that little crash part on camera, dude.
I didn't crash.
Well,
I was like,
I know. Oh, dude, like, you gotta hold it because it don't show the whole driveway. Like, angle me coming all the way in and everything, alright? Can't drive.
yeah, I did about wreck. I shifted right there. And I was like, whoa. Let me see here. Yeah, that's perfect. I hope I got that. Second.